What's the best you could do with $300? Check that out. I'm Christoforos. I am at Aspire Rama 4. I am the owner of a condominium here, Tower B, 11th floor, condominium 963. But where am I exactly? I am barely 800 meters from Ekkamai BTS station and Digital Gateway at the very, very heart of Bangkok. Japanese area, wonderful place in the heart of this great city. Let's see what's inside.
For the facility on the ground floor, there is a convenience store named Family Mart. Inside the room there is a washing machine, but if you want to use a laundrette, you can use it on the ground floor.
Hello again. We are on the 11th floor of building B, room 963. I am Christoforos. I am the owner of this condominium. Okay, and we're already in the kitchen area. So here you have a 10-year warranty fridge. You have your wonderful clean sink and the kitchen. The induction has recently been changed, so you have a brand new kitchen. Everything works well. You have microwave at a very convenient place, and inbuilt furniture which gives you a lot of space for whatever you want to use, either for your souvenirs, stuff for the kitchen, whatever you need. Here you have a table and two very well functional chairs, and now one of my two favorite spots of the apartment. You have the couch, the sofa, perfect, very relaxing, my favorite spot. Now here you have a wonderful view. Because it's a little bit cloudy, maybe you cannot show the buildings, but you're facing basically business area of Bangkok, skyscrapers, beautiful view. Now we're gradually moving to the bedroom. Okay. Now the bed is extremely important. You need a good quality of sleep, and the bed is just perfect. Not too hard, not too soft. Perfect sleep. Now, if you follow me again, you will see. You have wonderful view from here, right? So you have your window, it opens up, and wonderful view. Here have a slightly different view, so you can see again the business area of Bangkok with the skyscrapers, but you can also see this side, where you can also see the swimming pool. That is the best view. You will love this view, right? You can see the swimming pool from here. You can have your kids playing, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whatever. You can enjoy the view. Now, one of my favorite parts of the apartment, another one, is check this out. You turn off the light, it's getting dark at night, and you're lying in the bed, checking out your phone, updating your Facebook, your Instagram, talking to your friends, or reading your book. You have a light right here, and you can control the brightness, and as you get sleepy, you can just turn it off without getting out of your bed and sleep. Love this one. Okay, if you follow me, we have more and more inbuilt furniture, a lot of space. The wardrobe is big and wide, two drawers, one has a lock if you need some more security. You have a whole body mirror here and another whole body mirror right here. So you have two whole body mirrors, right? So especially for couples, if they're getting up at the same time, getting ready at the same time. Okay, so more space, inbuilt furniture, it's all good. You follow me into the bathroom. The toilet is spotless, recently cleaned with excellent chemicals. So you have excellent, spotless bathroom, water and everything is working. And one of my last highlights, Bangkok is hot and humid, but you do have your chilly nights. So We have an excellent heater, gets the water hot instantly, and this heater, in the very unlikely scenario there's going to be a leak or whatever, will automatically turn off. So it is extremely safe. All right. So I repeat, this condominium is 28 square meters, Building B, Aspea Rama 4, 11th floor, with excellent view, waiting for you. Contact me soon. Extra bonus, just when you think you've seen it all, right? My last favorite feature of this room, and honestly, quite unique. Very, very few condos have this one. Most condominiums here do not have this feature. So this is your excellent, high quality flat screen TV. You're lying or sitting on your couch enjoying your TV, it's all good. Guess what? The TV can turn to face the bed and the bedroom. I know, right? So what happens here is you can have your TV like this, and while you are lying on your bed, enjoy your TV at night, watch your favorite show, whatever, turn it off and radiate into sleep. A very unique feature which I think is gonna make many people happy and quite envious. Contact me soon.